Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to use the change owner command chown, chown, and change group command, chgrp, on Linux. You can create a user by using the user_add command. Here, we create a new user named admin. Groups are created by using the group add command. Here, we create a new group named GreenGroup. As you see, we just created a user and a group. Now, let's add the user to the group. Here's the actual command to add the user admin to the GreenGroup group. The list of groups and the users who have permissions in the group are stored in a file called group. It will be located under the etc directory. We can see the available groups by reading that file using the cat command like the following. This will be a huge file. And the last two lines describe that there's a new user called admin, a new group called GreenGroup, and the user admin has been added to the GreenGroup group. Using the following command to show the permissions involved in a file or a directory. Here we test our file named test.vn. And this output shows permission for the file, owner of the file, and group ownership of the file. You can use the chown command to change the ownership of a file. From our previous example, we have seen the file test.vn owned by the user named root. Now, we will change the ownership of this file to the user admin using the chown command. And you can clearly see that the owner of the file test.vn has been changed from root to admin. Continuing with our previous example, the owner of the test.vn file is the admin user. Now, we create a new file named copy.sh with my user account root. And we want the ownership of the test.vn file to be copied to the newly created copy.sh file. And now you can see the ownership of the copy.sh file, which is now owned by the admin user. You can do this by passing multiple file names to the chown command with one username. This sets the ownership of all the given files to that particular user. Here, we set ownership of the copy.sh and test.vn files to the admin user. Almost all the operations related to groups can be achieved with the chgrp command, an abbreviation of change group. It's pretty similar to the chown command. We have already created a group called GreenGroup. Now, we change the group ownership of the test.vn file from root to the GreenGroup. And you can see that we changed group ownership of the test.vn file from root to GreenGroup. The same syntax for files is applicable to directories also. We change the group ownership of the VPS test directory to the GreenGroup group. But remember that this command changes the group ownership of only the directory. To change the group ownership of all the files and directories inside the directory, we have to use the following command. Now, the group ownership for all the files and directories inside the VPS test directory has been changed from root to GreenGroup.